You've been waiting, and they've been waiting to give you that free legal advice. It's time for the Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. So nice to see you
How about the
both.
spectacular weather we've been having?
Oh, wow. It's so nice. I
Great.
love fall. It's the best time of the year.
Indian summer. It's been wonderful.
Love it so much. But along with weather changes come sometimes people need to call you. And let's get to this question today from Jana in Dunmore. She's saying, my daughter is 7 years old and has developmental issues. Our new neurologist is saying that they could be from birth trauma. Is there anything that I can do? I hear a lot of this.
Yes, and there's absolutely something that you could do. So if the neurologic issues are a direct result of birth trauma, then there may be medical malpractice that's involved, or there may medical negligence that was involved with the birth trauma. These neurologic issues, if they're not genetic, then what happens a lot of times is they develop as a result of lack of oxygen getting to the baby's brain, as a result of birth trauma, which is completely preventable in most situations. So yes, you could potentially have a case, but you gotta move on it. You gotta move on it.
Well, she's only 7.
Yeah,
we have some time, but I think the causation is going to be the hardest thing on these cases. Trying to link, you're going to really need a doctor to come in very strong on that and give you the causation to the birth trauma, because it's been a long time, and there are just a lot of neurological injuries that have result with deficiencies, and I think people have a hard time understanding it. You got to convince a jury of that. So they're tough cases. There's no doubt about it.
They're tough cases, and the first step that you need to do is get in touch with lawyers that handle these cases. We handle them all the time. You have a neurologist on board, it sounds like already. But you're gonna need other people that are gonna be able to put this case together for you. So,
all right, just reach out to them, find them online, or give them a call. Guys, thanks for your time today. If you have questions at home for the Law and You, submit them to pahomepage.com.